Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Discord server. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Discord application, and first of all, I'm going to open my Discord server. So this is my server, and I'm going to create a poll on this server. So once the server has been opened, go to this plus button, and then there will be some options for you. And if you want to create a poll on your server, you can click on this option, and then here you have to add the poll question. What question you want to ask to your members on your server. And I'm just going to type in, what's your favorite movie, like this. Okay, this is for the question, and for the answer, I'm going to type in my answer. For instance, thriller, and then romance. And for the another answer, I'm gonna add action. Okay, you can also add more question, but I'm just going to go with this. And then we can set the duration for this poll, and I'm going to set for 3 days. Okay, then here you can choose either you want to allow multiple answer or not, and I'm going to allow multiple answer. Then just click on post to share this poll to your member. Okay, and now as you can see that the poll has been created, and that's how we can create a poll on Discord server. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.